Have you ever asked yourself, why does the price of bread go up while your salary stays the same? Or why one country is swimming in wealth while another struggles to provide clean water? Stick around because the answer to all of this is economics. And once you get it, you will never look at the world the same way again. Let me take you into a simple story. Imagine two friends, Alex and Sam. Alex owns a bakery, Sam runs a coffee shop. One day, the price of flour shoots up. Suddenly, Alex can't keep his bakery profitable. But Sam, people still line up for lettuce, even if they cost a little more. Why did one survive while the other struggled? The answer lies in the choices people make, and that's economics in action. Here's the thing, economics is not about boring graphs and numbers. It's the study of choices, how we use limited resources to satisfy unlimited wants. And it all comes down to three big questions: what should we produce? How should we produce it? And who gets to enjoy it? Every government, every business, and even you answer these questions every single day. Now let's break it down. Microeconomics is the small picture. It explains why you choose one brand of sneakers over another, why Apple can sell iPhones at higher prices, and why some businesses rise while others collapse. It's the economics of everyday life. And then there's macroeconomics, the big picture: inflation, unemployment, recessions, and global trade. Why does a financial crisis in one country spread across the world? Why does printing money sometimes saves an economy and other times destroy it? That's macroeconomics and it shapes the headlines you read every single day. And when you zoom out, the story gets even bigger. A war in one region raises oil prices across the globe. A drought in South America pushes up food prices in Europe. A new technology in Silicon Valley changes job markets in Asia. The world is a giant web of economics connecting every decision to millions of others. Here's the secret most people miss. Once you understand economics, the world starts making sense. Inflation isn't just prices going up, it's the result of choices. Stock market crashes aren't random, they are part of a bigger story. Even your personal finances, why you save, why you invest, why you spend, all become clearer. The next time you wonder why your groceries cost more or why one country is booming while another is collapsing, remember this: it's not luck, it's not magic, it's economics. And the more you understand it, the more power you have to shape your own future.